Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to reset the service warning light for the oil change required on your Ford Transit. This is a 2016 XLT 350. Put the key in the ignition and turn the ignition on without starting the vehicle. And there's the oil change required warning. Just step down on the gas and brake pedals at the same time. And then you see right here, it says service oil reset in progress. So you just hold down the accelerator and the brake pedal for about 25 seconds. And then it'll show right there, service oil reset complete. And then you can lift your feet off the pedals, turn the ignition off. Let's turn it back on. And there you go. That service light is gone. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.